Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I'm Asa and I'm super excited because it's new tool day. In this video, I'm going to unbox, assemble, and review this multi-material upgrade for my Prusa Mark III 3D printer. Be sure to check out my channel if you like this type of content. In an earlier video, I did a full review of the Prusa enclosure for my 3D printer as well. Back to the multi-material upgrade, I'm really excited for the capability. I'm looking forward to multicolor prints. I'm looking forward to the ability to print with a soluble support material, hopefully making removing supports easier. But I'm also concerned about the robustness of the multi-material upgrade. I've seen a lot of comments online from people who have issues with their multi-material upgrades, problems with robustness, print failures, and other bugs. I'm hoping the benefits outweigh the drawbacks, and I'll certainly let you know. Future Asa here with a spoiler for the rest of the video. If you're thinking about getting a multi-material unit upgrade for your Prusa, don't. They're awful and I can't recommend it. That's more than enough talking, time to unbox. Excellent. Took 3 takes. Jesus. Gosh. Got a minimum temperature error, so we get to heat gun the Prusa. One little hiccup so far, I need to drill out a hole used for an M2 bolt. Not a big deal, but a little annoying. Well, that was certainly a pain in the butt. It took about 7 hours to do the assembly, get my Prusa back in the enclosure, and load 5 PLA filaments. I'll do a little bit of cleanup and then do some test prints. I finished assembly and a number of test prints, and my honest feedback is I cannot recommend that you buy a multi-material upgrade for your Prusa. The problem is reliability and robustness. Out of about 24 test prints, I only managed to complete 3 successfully. Like I said, the reliability just isn't there with this multi-material unit yet. Between assembly and tinkering, I probably spent about 20 hours trying to get this to work successfully, and I'm still not there. There's a bunch of helpful threads on Reddit and online with different upgrades or mods that you can do to try and improve it. I do plan to do some of these in the future, but for now, I'm honestly just looking forward to taking it off my printer. I definitely think I have an above average capability for mechanical assembly and troubleshooting, and I'm really surprised that I couldn't get this to work reliably. reliably. The problem that I have is filament loads. 1 out of every 10 or 20 color changes, the filament does not load correctly into the extruder. It seems to get caught or jammed and just doesn't get taken by the Bondtech extruder gears correctly. I've partially disassembled my extruder already, and I think the next step for me, I'll have to fully disassemble the extruder, make sure everything's aligned correctly, reassemble, and then do a number of other mods that folks have recommended online. The worst part about this whole experience is that I love the prints that were successful with the MMU, and it makes it so frustrating that I just can't get it to work reliably. Please let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions specifically about filament load and unload at the extruder. The rest of the MMU2 seems to be working well for me. All of the sensors are reading reliably. I can reliably load and unload at the MMU2 intake. I'm just a bit stumped at the moment and think there's something wrong with the extruder or the extruder settings. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content about building, making, crafting. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.